We're here at the Harrah Cherokee Center Asheville Garage. This is the only elevator in the garage. Hi. Go to 1. If you have 1. Let's go to 8. Will that ever ring? So every door might close fast, and you might. This is the view of Asheville. All right, so let's enter that. 1. Yeah, let's find out 1. Take a cab view of this thing. It might be. It's a nice cab view. You see your fixtures. We don't never know the install date. Yes, there was an event. This was a July special. Right. Here's that 1. There it goes. That's it.